In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share IG Reels to your Instagram story. So first of all, what you will need to do is open up your Instagram. So first of all, once you have opened up your Instagram app, you will need to find the reel or the person who has the reel that you want to share to your story. So what I'm going to do is I will hit the search bar here. I will go to search and I will just search for Steven Bartlett, for example. So once I am on his page here, what I can do is simply go to the Reels tab. Once I go to the Reels tab, I can click on the one that I want to share to my story. So for example, I will click on this one here. Once you have chosen the reel that you want to share to your Instagram story, all you simply need to do is click the little arrow icon. Once you click that, as you can see, you can add reel to your story by clicking that option. Once you click on add reel to story, you can now click on send to. Once you click on send to, you can click on send to your story again, click on done, and then if you go back over to your profile, so if I click on my story now, as you can see, the reel is now there displayed on my Instagram story. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.